Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Naila Jusnioka Maria with last student number 171. Here. First, I will explain again what the Prime Minister said based on the audio. From the motion that is, this House regret the culture of validation created by social media platforms. The PM explains that because of social media, there is a validation culture. This means many people look for likes, comment, and attention from social media. The PM say that this validation culture is not good. It can make dangerous because can make harm mental health, create social pressure, and make people lose confidence and depend on others for the approval. The PM also gives several arguments. There are 3 arguments. The first, validation culture make people compare themselves too much. The second, validation culture makes people lose their identity. And the last, social media makes mental health problems like anxiety and depression. As the leader of opposition, I understand their argument. However, I do not fully agree because validation culture is not always negative. There are also positive sides. I will give 2 arguments to support my disagreement. My refutation, the first, I reject the PM claims that validation culture always harm mental health. In fact, not all validation is harmful. Many research shows that social media can help people who feel lonely or sad when they receive positive comment and encouraging message from online friend. This make them feel accepted and happier. The use of social media depends on each person. They must know how to use it well and take the positive side. Second, the PM thinks social media makes people lose their identity. But according to the Pew Research Center, more than 80% of teens say social media allows them to explore talents and interests. Social media give them space to express themselves. They can post their creativity like drawing, read poems or drama, build confidence by sharing experience and achievement, and show hobbies or travel stories. So for me, the problem is not the validation. The problem is the lack of digital literacy from the user. Third, the PM says the validation culture causes anxiety and depression. But research shows that the main cause of mental health problems are not only from validation or social media. There are another factor like family environment, academic pressure, and economic problems also play a big role. So, blaming validation culture alone is too much. Validation can also give support which help people feel stronger and reduce stress. To support my disagreement, I will give 2 arguments. The first, I strongly believe that the culture of validation on social media can give positive emotional support for many users. When someone receives good comments, encouraging message, or simple appreciation online, they feel valued and supported. This makes them feel that they are not alone, especially in difficult moments. Humans being naturally need connection and recognition. So social media simply provides a modern way for people to support each other. Many psychologists state that the social support is one of the most important factors in reducing stress and protecting mental health. Positive online interaction can make people feel happier and more confident. Because validation can create this emotional benefit, the culture of validation is not completely harmful and should not be something that this house regret. My second argument, the real problem is not the validation. The real problem is not the validation culture itself, but the lack of digital literacy among the users. If people have good knowledge about how to use social media wisely, the negative effect can be reduced significantly. Just like any other tool, social media is not dangerous by itself. What matters is how people use it with proper understanding. Validation will not be something harmful. UNESCO report that digital education can reduce the negative impact of social media by up to 60%, especially for teenagers that active on social media. Since the main issue is low digital literacy, not the validation culture, we should not regret the existence of validation. Instead, we should focus on educating users to use media responsibility. In conclusion, as the leader of opposition, I believe that the prime minister argument are not being enough to justify regretting the culture of validation. Validation can provide emotional support, help people feel confident, and improve mental well-being. And the real problems comes from user lack understanding, not from the validation itself. Therefore, this house should not regret the culture of validation on social media. Instead, we should encourage better digital literacy so that everyone can enjoy the positive side of social media safely and responsibility. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.